¿Para qué me mires? I don't really know how long now.
So hello guys, we are back with another video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to remain updated. Also follow us on TikTok and Instagram. The handle is same, Dr. Buzz Lectures. Let's move on to the today's topic, which is amino acid metabolism. This topic is the precursor of urea cycle, so must watch urea cycle after watching this video. As we know that amino acids are the building blocks of protein. There are 20 types of amino acids. Some are non-essential amino acids and some are essential amino acids. So by their name you understand the non-essential amino acids are the amino acids which body can make itself, and the essential amino acids are those which body cannot make, so we have to get these from our diet. So there are 11 type of non-essential amino acids and there are 9 types of essential amino acids. So let's take a look. First we will take a look on non-essential amino acids, which are them, so you should remember all of the following. As we discussed, there are how many non-essential amino acids, guys? There are 11 non-essential amino acids. Very good. So the first one is tyrosine, then arginine, glycine, glutamine, serine, proline, alanine, aspartic acid, asparagine, glutamic acid, and the last but not the least is cysteine. As you can see, there are many A's and G's in the non-essential amino acid. There is arginine, aspartic acid, alanine, and asparagine, and if from G there are glycine, glutamine, and glutamic acid. So it is easy to remember these my non-essential amino acids. But there is also a mnemonic which I will tell you, from which you will remember these non-essential amino acid in a easy way and for the long purposes. So the mnemonic is: almost all girls go crazy after getting taken prom shopping. Not from, it's prom, because we have one P, proline, so it's prom. Hope you will understand and memorize this mnemonic. Now let's move on to the essential amino acids, which are the essential amino acids which we get from our diet, because body cannot make much of them. So there are 9. So let's move on. The first one is leucine, then lysine, valine, methionine, tryptophan, isoleucine, threonine, histidine, and the last but not the least one is phenylalanine. So these are the essential amino acids and they are easy to remember, but there is also a easy mnemonic for it. So this easy mnemonic is private Tim Hall. We will write private in short form PVT and Tim and Hall. Now let's move on to the main purpose of this topic, amino acid metabolism. Let's first take a look on the structure of amino acid. On the right side of amino acid we have a carboxyl group, then we have a side chain which is represented by R and it is change in every amino acid. Then in top left corner we have amine group. This is the main thing, that amine group or NH3 ammonia increase the toxicity of the cell, which we decrease in urea cycle. So the question is how the ammonia is taken out from the amino acid. So let's have a preview that amino acid have ammonia. So it increases the toxicity of cell if the concentration is increased. So to the purpose is to remove NH3 and send it to liver where urea cycle happens. This is all process. As I told you earlier that this metabolism is precursor of urea cycle. This all happens to promote urea cycle. So the reaction which helps to remove ammonia from amino acid is transamination reaction. In it we take one amino acid and one keto acid which will convert it into pyruvate and another amino acid. So here we have alanine and alpha ketoglutarate, which is keto acid, with the help of enzyme called alanine transaminase, which will remove ammonia and shift it into another amino acid called glutamate, which is also called glutamic acid, and we will gain pyruvate also. So the thing is, glutamate is the only amino acid which do not transaminase because it undergoes oxidation deamination. So it will not get transaminase. So it is an important point to be noted. So at the end we will get pyruvate and glutamate. So let's see in what reactions they take part in. So pyruvate can be converted into acetyl coenzyme which take part in Krebs cycle by the help of enzyme called pyruvate dehydrogenase. The secondly, pyruvate can also be converted into lactate with the enzyme lactate dehydrogenase. So these two reactions pyruvate can do, and this is called Cody cycle. So in glutamate, what happens is when it is not in the liver, it is in other cells. It undergoes many reactions to come to the liver. So when it comes in the liver, at the end glutamate convert itself into alpha ketoglutarate and release ammonia in the liver cell which undergo urea cycle. So it forms alpha ketoglutarate by the addition of water and glutamate dehydrogenase, and it also produces one NADH molecule. So this was today's topic of amino acid metabolism, and it is a precursor of urea cycle. So must watch urea cycle or nitrogen cycle to get your concepts clear. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you have liked it. We will come again with another video. Watch the next video in which we will
But give me
discuss
readers.
the
I don't really know
MCQs of
how long
amino acid.
now.
Till then, bye bye.